Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. This is George. In this video I want to show you guys how to buy Shibnobi Shinja token with lowest gas fees. Guys, watch the video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. We need to reach 3,000 subscribers as soon as possible so we can begin our video tutorial. First of all, let's check out the Shibnobi's page on CoinMarketCap, and as you can see we have two available markets, guys. The first one is Uniswap and the second one is Hotbit, guys. The Hotbit has lower gas fees than Uniswap, so in this video I will use Hotbit to buy Shinja token. Let's go to Hotbit. I will leave the link in the description and in the comments. If you don't have Hotbit account, you can go on this link and you can make the account, guys. After you make account and after you go through verification, then follow my instruction. First of all, guys, let's go to market and let's type Shinja in the search bar. As you can see, we got Shinja here. Let's click it. And here you see, to buy Shinja we need to have NUSD. We need to swap NUSD to Shinja, guys. First of all, the first thing we need to do is to buy NUSD. To buy NUSD, we need to swap USDT to NUSD, guys. So guys, follow my instructions. Let's go to the Hotbit's main page and let's click my fund. First of all, guys, you need to buy USDT. First go to deposit USDT, then click fiat, choose the amount you want to pay. For example, $100. The fee is $1. You should agree, submit, click submit, click English to translate, then you should complete this payment. You will have $100 worth USDT on your Hotbits account. Then you should go to your funds again, and here you see NUSD. You need to click exchange, then type the amount of USDT you want to swap to NUSD, guys. So after you swap USDT to NUSD, then you need to go to market again and search Shinja. Open Shinja. Then here you should type the amount of NUSD you want to pay to buy Shinja token, guys, and down below you can see the fees, guys. So after you make this transaction, you will have Shinja token on your Hotbit accounts. That's all I wanted to tell you, guys. It's very simple. If you have some questions, you can ask below in the comments. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking the like button, and thank you for subscribing, guys. We need to reach 3,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And if you don't have Hotbit account, you can use my link down below and you can make an account, guys. Thank you for watching.